Day 8 of Sean Diddy Combs' federal sex trafficking trial felt less like a hearing and more like a guided tour of a crime scene. Homeland Security agent James McHugh walked jurors through images from last year's Miami mansion raid, starting with a battered iron gate and ending in a closet where two AR-15-style rifles lay beside baby oil bottles, bondage rope, platform heels, and a loaded .45 tucked inside a red Toomey suitcase. Visual shorthand for the prosecution's theme that violence and sexual coercion went hand in hand. The evidence parade continued with drugs, orange Tesla-stamped ecstasy tablets, bags of white powder, and a Gucci pouch marked party favors, all held inches from the jury box, while some jurors leaned forward and others took frantic notes. Combs, seated between attorneys, remained stone-faced. The day's biggest twist arrived when former executive assistant George Kaplan, nicknamed the Concierge of Chaos, accepted full immunity moments before testifying. He admitted stocking hotel freak-off bags with baby oil and lingerie, hand-delivering cash for alleged MDMA purchases, and tidying suites to protect Mr. Combs' reputation. His cross-examination is set for tomorrow, and observers expect even more damaging detail. Prosecutors then called trauma specialist Dr. Dawn Hughes, who mapped the lurid allegations onto textbook patterns of coercive control, economic dependence, and a freeze response that echoed Cassie Ventura's earlier testimony about curling into a fetal position during beatings. Defense lawyers objected twice. Both objections were overruled, but they struck back later, hammering the point that the mansion housed many employees, that no fingerprints or DNA have yet tied Combs to the weapons, and that Florida's permissive gun laws muddy any possession claim. A conspicuous absence also hung over the courtroom. Rapper Kid Cudi, expected to testify that Combs once had his car blown up after Cudi dated Cassie. A late-night note to the judge delayed his appearance, fueling speculation that prosecutors will first lay more groundwork for the alleged arson component of their RICO case. Meanwhile, Combs spends every night in Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center, enduring 23-hour lockdown, escorted movement, and metal tray dinners, hardly the Star Island luxury he once enjoyed. Former MDC warden Christine Dinan confirms there are no VIP cells. High-profile detainees follow the same 6 a.m. wake-up as everyone else. Tomorrow's agenda promises Kaplan's cross-examination, potential testimony from the raid's forensic technician, and the ever-looming question of whether Kid Cudi will finally link alleged threats to real-world explosions. Only then will jurors decide whether the shocking tableau of rifles and baby oil is proof of a violent scheme or merely sensational optics without a smoking gun.